Hello learner, this is teacher Dolly from Tayoon National High School. Welcome to our first video lesson in Programming 1.
In this video, you will learn about software and programs. But before that, let us first recall the difference between hardware and software. Which of the two photos is a software? Is it the one on the left or on the right? Correct. The picture on the left is the logo of Adobe Photoshop, which is an example of software, while the one on the right is a mouse, an example of hardware. Let's try another one. Which of the two is a software? Correct. The one on the right is Google Chrome, an example of software, while the other one is keyboard, an example of hardware. Based on our examples, we can say that hardware are physical parts of the computer. It is developed with electronic components, while software cannot be touched. It is a collection of programs developed with a programming language. Notice that software is described as a collection of programs. Software and program are terms which are often used interchangeably. So what's the difference between the two? As implied in the previous slide, programs are used for developing software. This means that software is a broader term. There are two types of software that programmers can create. First is the application software, and the other one is system software. What is the difference between them? Users directly interact with application software, while a user does not directly interact with the system software because it works in the background or behind the scenes. Application softwares can't run without the presence of system software, while system software provides platforms for application software. Examples of application software are Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, while examples of system software are Windows, Android, and Apple. Let's see what you have learned so far through a true or false test. Identify whether the following statements are true or false. You have 10 seconds to read and answer each item. Programs are a set of software put together. The answer is false. It is the other way around. Software is a set of programs. Microsoft Office Word is an example of system software. The answer is false. It is an example of an application software. Application software depends on system software. The answer is true. Application software have to rely on the existence of a system software to operate. Mobile Legends is an example of an application software. The answer is true. A user directly interacts with an application software. Software and programs can be used interchangeably. The answer is false, since they are two different terms. In this video, you have differentiated and related software and program.
And that ends our lesson for today. See you on our next video. Keep safe!